Namaste, I Dr. G. Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So today's our topic is national program for the tobacco control. So according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, national tobacco control cells are there who work by the policy formulations, planning, implementation, monitoring, evaluation of different activities under national tobacco control program. So the program supervised in charge from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare's joint secretary and directors. So some technical assistance by the deputy directors generals and launched by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare India in 2007 to 2008 during 11 5-year plan. The objective of this plan was like that to bring about greater awareness about the harmful tobacco effect of tobacco use, about tobacco control laws are there to facilitate effective implementation of control tobacco control laws, reduce the production of and supply of the tobacco products, to ensure effective implementation of provision are made under the cigarette and other tobacco products, prohibition, advertisement and regulation of the trade, commence and production, supply and distribution act like 2003 help the people quit the tobacco use through the tobacco cessation center. Scope of the national tobacco control program mainly at the primordial and primary level, the training of the health and social workers, NGOs, schools, teachers, enforcement officers, etc. like that, information education and communicate activities, school programs are there, some monitoring tobacco control laws are there, coordination with the panchayati raj institutions for the villages level activities, setting up the strengthening of the sensation facilities including provision of the pharmacological treatment facilities at the district level. So the NTCP is presently under the implementation in 21 state covering 42 district, 2 district per state. From the next 12 5-year plan, whole country will be covered in that. So the regular monitoring at the national state level, guideline brochures provided by NTCP. So what is COTPA? Code power. What is code power? Is like is it stand for the cigarette and other tobacco products. Prohibitions, prohibition of advertisement, and regulation of trades, commence and production, supply, distributions act in 2003. The act is applicable to all the product containing tobacco in any form. The act extend the whole India including the state of Jammu and Kashmir. So there's some attention, there's some logos, there's some pamphlets for to prohibit the tobacco smoking, impose the restrictions on the advertisements, some promotions, some sponsorship of the tobacco products, prohibit smoking in public places, prohibit sales to and by the minors, and prohibit some sale of the tobacco product within the radius of 100 yards of education institution, mandatory depletions of a specific pictorial health warning on all the tobacco products and packs. It doesn't ban tobacco product. However, the production, sale, storage, distribution of the food product containing tobacco or nicotine, just like gutka, has been prohibited under the Food Safety and Standard. Prohibition and restriction on the sale also was done regulation in 2011 in 1st August. Like second hand smoke will also therefore exhale the smoke and burning of the cigarette. And there is a third hand smoke, the residue of the smoke that cling to virtually all the surface long after a bidi cigarettes has been extinguished, could prove to be potential health hazard. The biggest risk of to the young children, smokeless tobacco. So all the tobacco products are that are consumed and unburned form. The smokeless tobacco can be used orally or nasally. In India, it is used as chewing tobacco with or without lime. Gutka, khani, zarda are also example, or all the example, like snuff of is the example nasally form of the tobacco. So the global adult tobacco survey, like monitoring of adult tobacco use, tracks key tracks key tobacco control indicator, national representative surveys, and the use of constricted and standard protocol across the countries, including in India. So assist the countries to generate useful data in 2009 to 10 and 16 to 17. So there's a lot of people who consume the tobacco in the age of we can say in 65 year of age is very prone to take the tobaccos. So there are many datas so to filter this tobacco use. So that is all about the topic. Namaste. If you have any query, just comment below.